so mean. Good Lord, man, shit, it ain't what it seems. You got nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tones and homemade booze, but it always goes too far.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking to you about LED lights. Why I am changing to the Wipac versions from Douglas Motors, and tools we're going to be using to make this happen.
Shoot him, pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play?
So guys, I just want to cover a few little things about this LED Wipac kit. First of all, this can be purchased from Douglas Motors. Price is £180, but using my discount code 10D90UK, you can purchase this for £162. This does include the full kit, so you are getting every light on your car apart from your two side indicators replaced. It comes with all brand new screws and your backing plates as well, things like that, and your number plate light. So why would you choose to go with LED lights? There's a few reasons really. They're brighter, they're much brighter. That's one of the main reasons why we all changed to LED, just because of how efficient they are. Getting a lot of light for not a lot of power usage. And generally speaking, these will last around 50,000 hours. I think like there is a general rule of thumb that you see on LED lights, and that doesn't actually state that on this, which is quite disappointing because it would be nice to know. So they're also a sealed unit. It does offer, which offers you an IP67 rating. Like you're going to go wading and you're not even going to worry about getting water ingress in these, which was a big problem for the older style original lights. They would take on water, you'd lock a light out, and that would be that done. So with that in mind, using less current, you're not worrying about water, they're longer lasting. It is just the way to go if you're interested in upgrading your lights, and Wipac is the one to go for. This can be purchased from Douglas Motors, as I said, for £180, or with the discount code 162, and you're good to go.
Sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad.
So, covering on a bit about tools. To fit this LED kit, you are literally only going to need a screwdriver set, and that is it. Ideally you want to have a selection of bits so you can choose the appropriate one so you don't start shredding heads. I however am going to be using the Milwaukee drill just to make things a bit faster and simpler. Obviously you don't want to go cranking down on them screws because you will break things, so let that be a warning. Just to touch on this, all the new screws that come with this Wipac kit are stainless steel, so you're not going to start getting rusty heads coming through because they will be out in the elements, which is a nice touch.
Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on.
So every light in the kit does come wrapped in some plastic, and all of them come with a foam backing, which is nice to stop vibrations and seal it. So we've hit a little bit of a snag. It's not a problem, we are going to change it, but important information on the included sheets that they give you. So, important information. Please note the wiring on these lamps may require swapping over, i.e. removed from the connector plug and replaced in opposite pin positions. This is due to Land Rover Defenders changing connector polarity from circa 1998 onwards. In other words, Land Rover, you've once again made something simple difficult, but hey ho, it's one of them things. So basically what they're on about is the 2 pins in there need to be swapped around so the plug fits how it should, but the polarity is swapped. One of them things, hey ho. So as I was saying in the video before about the polarity pins, I have managed to do one right now. So what you have to do, you have to take this yellow insert out. I just used the pin and it come loose. Then you've got 2 little tabs which hold these pins in. You then pull them out the back of the plug, swap the polarity, and with that done, 2 seconds. You have one working light.